So like here, look at this real close. This has a special head on it. When you put a screwdriver in, you can tighten it, turn it this way, and it'll be okay. But when you try to turn it, loosen it, the screwdriver strips off. So the special tool you're supposed to have to do this. I'm taking this door off. Let me show you here. Here's the screw right here. And I don't have that special tool right here, but I have this special tool. This pair of vice grips. So all you do, take vice grips, and there's a flat section on these heads. A flat section right there. Clamp your vice grips on there, and then turn real easy. There you go. Just like that, no special tool needed.